Hello dear students. So this is a video lecture. We are starting amino acid catabolism and special focus on urea cycle. So guys, human beings, if we consume excess carbohydrates, we can store them in the form of glycogen, right? Or we can convert the excess carbs into acetyl CoA and make the fats out of it. And if we consume excess fats, then we can store them in the form of triglycerides and store in our adipose tissue. But human beings cannot store amino acids unless required. So we are unable to fix the nitrogen part of amino acids especially. So if we consume excess amount of amino acids, or if the amino acid levels somehow increases in our body, we cannot store them. Plants can do that. Plants can fix the nitrogen, but human beings cannot fix the nitrogen. So that nitrogen is toxic to human beings because it may convert into ammonia and cause toxicity. So that is why whatever the excess amount of nitrogen is present in our body in the form of excess amino acid that may be produced anyhow or taken in the diet, that nitrogen has to be removed out of the body in the form of urea. Guys, urea, which is NH2CuNH2, that is having two nitrogens, is a non-toxic form of ammonia, and that is excreted every day from our body in the urine. So guys, amino acid, which is made of two parts, carbons and nitrogen. Nitrogen has to be excreted, but carbons we will not waste. These carbons we can use for making various products or just as energy to the liver cells. Like alanine can make pyruvate, and the pyruvate can be utilized in the various pathways, but the nitrogen can be excreted as urea. And alanine is a non-essential amino acid. Right, guys? So, urea synthesis happens in three steps. Number one, transamination. Number two, oxidative deamination. And number three is urea cycle itself.